For over 10 years, M2 has been a specialist for next-generation business intelligence solutions and supports renowned companies in the development of modern BI platforms. A particularly important part of our projects is user enablement. Our focus is on empowering people and companies to deal competently with their data. For this purpose, we offer a variety of different trainings, workshops, and support models, which are always oriented towards the needs of the course participants. Our training portfolio includes a variety of different formats, whether Tableau Desktop, Tableau Prep, Data Science, or Alteryx Designer. We serve your needs and provide you with experienced and competent trainers. In addition to our standard training courses, we also design individual formats for you. We conduct our training courses in both German and English, either at your premises, at our offices in Berlin, or remotely. All participants receive detailed training material and a certificate of participation at the end of the training. Learn how to get the most out of your data and contact us with your training needs.